Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO F23 5G smartphone. This is the upcoming smartphone by OPPO, so now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. So if we open it, here in top we get this small box. If we see inside it, here is the SIM ejector pin, reading manuals, and this is the transparent back case. Okay, keep this aside. And guys, here's the font itself, OPPO F23 5G. Here you can see 67 watt superbook fast charge, 120 Hz silky smooth large screen, 64 megapixel AI camera, and 40x micro lens. And it is in bold gold color. Here you can see. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the phone. So here we get the USB Type C to Type A cable. And guys, this is the 80 watt. Yes, this is the 80 watt fast charger you get in the box, but phone supports 67 watt fast charging. Okay, so that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Now quickly remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone itself in my hand. If we talk about the weight, it is 192 gram and the thickness is 8 mm. And if we talk about the back, it is glass body, and the front design, you can see attractive looks you can see. And here you can see the innovative camera, and there's the branding of OPPO. Yep guys, phone looks good in hand. Here you can see phone looks attractive in your hand. It looks premium. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on this side we get the power on off key with side mounted fingerprint, and here we get the SIM tray and volume up and down key. So now quickly remove its SIM tray and see what specification we get out of it. So here we get the hybrid SIM slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. Okay, and on bottom here you can see we get the 3.5 mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB type C port, and this is the main speakers. And here on back we get the triple rear camera setup, 64 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash. And on front it has 6.72 inches full HD plus 120 Hz high refresh rate display with 32 megapixel front camera and punch hole display over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device. This is the main screen of OPPO F23 5G smartphone. You can see. If we talk about the display, it has 120 Hz high refresh rate display. So quickly check this out. Check the performance of it. So guys, as you can see, it has a smooth, yes, it has a smooth operations. You can see it has a smooth display. You can see. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, it has some shots I took with F23 5G smartphone. If we talk about its battery, it has 5000 milliamp battery which supports 67-watt fast charging support, and the phone runs on Android 13. And if we talk about the processor, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. Okay, after it, if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and facial lock performance, so quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put finger and it unlock, you can see. Put and it unlock. Try it in many ways. Yep guys, the side mounted fingerprint is really fast and responsive, as you can see. I put and it quickly unlocked the phone, you can see. It is really fast and responsive, you can see. Okay, now after it, if we talk about it, it's a facial lock performance, so quickly check this out. I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the phone. I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the phone quickly. I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the phone quickly. So both face unlock and side mounted fingerprint both are fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO F23 5G smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.